What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing maintenance on the Focus and maintenance on CODY'S Miata. So we're gonna be washing both cars. So we just went to AutoZone in his, so it's super hot. So we're gonna be doing the Focus first. So let's get a cold start in. So we're gonna let the car warm up a little bit just so the oil isn't so thick. And then yeah, we're gonna lift it up on our little ramps here. And then I'll show you guys the tools that you need to do an oil change, which you should know, but whatever, I'll show you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now we're gonna be getting the tools to do our oil change.
All right, guys, while Ryan goes to get his tools, we're gonna take a tour of the Miata. How about that, yeah? It's not very cool. All right, guys, we got the interior right here. It's nice and brown and black like a bruise. You got the brand new stereo in there with CarPlay and the microphone, you know, 140 MIATA. Ryan, are you ready?
Yeah, just go ahead and keep talking about your car.
All right, guys, we got the Candy Roo exclusive merch here that only dropped in December of 2021. We got my boy, the raccoon. He rides with me. He watches over my shoulder whenever I need him to take the wheel. You know, he's there for me all the time. You got the tassel.
Kind of ready now? So now we have the car on the lift. Now what, I'm gonna show you guys what you have to do. So you're gonna go ahead and open this little cap up. Sheesh. So now we're gonna grab your drain and we're gonna professionally put it under the car. You're gonna get your tools, which I don't know the size of the drain plug right now, but yeah, you ready? So first thing you wanna do is find the drain plug, which is, mine is right here, and the oil filter, which is right here. It's gonna be a size 15 because this is 14, it doesn't fit. So let's go get a size 15. Here's the size 15. We're gonna put it here, and look at that. It's the actual right size. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna wanna set this up here. We're gonna wanna break it. Oh, no, not, okay. All right, great. So now you're gonna wanna twist it. You don't wanna get your hands dirty, right? So you wanna be, oh,
no way.
You saw that? Guys, so while the oil is draining now, we're gonna try and get the oil filter out, which I already showed you where it was. All right, so now you're gonna wanna get your oil filter housing tool removal. Yeah, squeeze that on. Oh, wow. Guys, so this should usually take about 10 seconds, but I usually like to make things difficult. Okay, here we go.
All right, we just
oh, nice. Right all over my, put it together, like nice and greasy.
I don't think that's grease. All right, so
great.
There's your oil filter. And there's your oil filter.
Guys, I literally brought this roll to clean my hands. Should I clean my hands now? So now we're gonna grab the new oil filter, lube it up though. So anyway, so you lube up the gasket. Now we're gonna put the oil filter back on. So to do that,
Same thing.
Not lay on.
No.
You're gonna not want to lay on that. You're gonna find out where it is. Obviously, this is empty. This must be it. And you're just gonna twist it right back on.
Now that's not true for all parts. Just because something's empty doesn't mean it goes there.
And you're gonna want to make sure it's hand tight as much as you can. And now we're gonna grab a rag and clean off all this excessive oil. Where's the plug? Oh, here it is. Right here. And we're gonna go ahead and close this off as it's not even dripping anymore. Gonna make it nice and, yep, good enough. All right, great. So let me grab a rag. We're gonna clean this, and then now after that, we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with oil.
Right, so the next step is you're gonna grab your oil as he's doing, and then you're gonna get your funnel and you're just gonna stick it in your oil.
You're gonna stick the funnel in your oil.
You're gonna stick the funnel in the oil.
So this car takes 5.7 quarts, so this is 5 quarts, and then we'll use a little bit of the other gallon. Oh, look at that spill. Sheesh. Rate the spill 1 out of 10, Cody.
Well, now it's wobbling. I don't know.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Now it's a solid 7.
Guys, you should be doing your oil changes about every 20,000 miles. So we just poured out this whole gallon of oil, but we're gonna keep it so I can dispose of the old oil. So we're gonna put this right there. We're gonna put the dipstick back in, but honestly, it probably won't even read right because all the oil's not even at the bottom of the pan.
No, you gotta start the car and then dip.
I don't wanna start the car and then dip it, all right? That's scary. So anyway, guys, now we're gonna start the car and then dip it. You hear any knocking? We have good oil pressure. Oh, right here. Yeah, we have good oil pressure. Sorry, I'm trying to be.
Did you turn on the windshield wipers?
Sorry, guys, I got caught up in the blow-off valve noise. So anyway, I think it needs more. We had good oil pressure and whatnot. now we're trying to figure out how to possibly get the ramps under this go-kart. You want me to do it?
No, 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 no.
Dude, we did it!
We did it though.
It shouldn't have been that hard. Dude, oh my god, we actually did it, bro. Congrats, that was great, awesome. Look at this, guys. The brake we used to get him on the ramp was starting to break already. But anyway, we finally got him up. All right, guys, so Cody's under the car right now, taking off the skid plate. It looks scary. Taking off the skid plate, because the whole skid plate literally covers the oil filter. How do you feel about that, bro?
Pretty annoying. I love the guy who made the car.
So anyway, so to show you guys where the oil filter is, so this is the oil filter. That blue thing right there is the oil filter. What type of design is this? I can't even get my hand from under up. He is now taking off skid plate, and then we're gonna start draining the oil. Either way, we needed the car to cool down because it took us forever to get it onto the freaking ramps. All right, so Cody's got the last screw and tie wrap out. Hopefully it comes straight out now, and it does. Look at this. What is this, an off-road car? Jesus Christ. So bad news, even with the skid plate off, we cannot reach the oil filter. All right, so it was a 17. Now we're gonna go ahead and...
This one's already on loose, right?
Yeah. Wait, make sure it's on the left, on the bottom side. That would have sucked. Oh, that was tight, bro.
Oh, there's no way I'm not getting oil on myself.
Nah, you can do it. Oh, we're gonna see if Cody's fast enough now. Oh. Oh. Ah! He's full of oil. That's what was draining on the bottom. Now we're gonna try and take off this super not easy. Do you have to bring this car around here
little
for
blue
today?
thing down there? Yeah, that's what we're trying to get to. All right, after a long time of trial and error, we finally found the right piece to get able to take off my oil filter. You ready? Go for it.
Oh yeah, buddy.
You see that blue stuff moving down there?
Okay, wait. I'm done. Wait. Okay.
All right, so now we need you to clear it because that oil is gonna be hot. Oh, we gotta take off that cap first. It's not gonna fit.
Is that what it is? All right, so we just made a mistake. We left the cap on. When you leave the cap on, there's a little, there's something there that blocks in the oil filter. So now we're twisting it in, taking the cap off, and twisting it out again.
Literally all the way in.
Yeah, I was gonna throw it, but this saved so much time.
Keep that. Give me that. Oh, got it.
You got it?
Voila! And that...
You got it, come on. Yeah!
Your oil filter.
No, yours! I didn't even need to go down there. This guy got it by himself.
Kinda. I'm on the thread, but I still have to find the thread. Okay.
All right, so he's got that on, and it's time to get the funnel in. So,
my
it's
car
time.
takes 4 quarts of oil.
Yeah, and we are at 5.
Going down.
So you're going here. You're gonna fill it up, or you're gonna empty it to there. Look at the pour, guys. Oh my God.
Got them steady hands.
Oh. There, stop.
Right there.
Sheesh. Perfect. Hey, yo, can we get some revs for the video, though? No hesitation whatsoever. Bro, it's so... Alright, fellas, so that is the end of today's video. Cody already left, and this is actually another day of me recording the outro because I realized that I didn't record it when I was editing. But anyway, you're probably gonna, I'm not sure when you're gonna see this, but today is Friday and tomorrow's my birthday, February 5th. I'm throwing a huge car meet tonight. That's gonna be a video soon, but you're gonna see this before, obviously. So yeah, we did the oil change on the Focus. We've done one to this one. I'll probably do this one again in the next 3,000 miles. Look at this. And then the Focus I'll probably do around 4,000, which is what I did that time. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you guys like these maintenance type of videos, like brakes and whatnot, let me know in the comments. I mean, I enjoy posting them, but I would like to hear your guys' feedback about it. But anyway, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next video.